We have come here because we've been members of ODM. I was an ODM governor. And as you all know, Janet was the executive director of ODM for more than 15 years, the founding executive director, and she served for over 15 years until she went to Senate and to the National Assembly. She is currently the deputy chair of the ODM party, and she will be able to talk for herself. But before we do that discussion, allow me to say what they told me to say here. We, as members of the Orange Democratic Movement, in particular myself, James Ongwae, former Governor KISII County, and Janet Ong'era, Deputy Party Chairperson of ODM, have today decided conscientiously to resign from the ODM party with immediate effect. It has been an honor serving in ODM. We regret nothing, but we move to the next phase with a clear mind on how better as a country we can manage our political affairs before and after elections. We have today arrived at this decision having carefully taken stock of the activities preceding the last general election, and more so the ill manner in which the party treated us and our supporters through political patronage by individuals who never had the interest of our community, especially the KISII community at heart. We are of the opinion as leaders that this country is at a stage where individuals, leaders should join progressive-minded leaders and parties that focus on unity and collective decision-making in the affairs that affect our society. As the Holy Bible says in Ecclesiastes 3:1, there is a time and a season for everything, and for us it is time to exit. We will soon issue a press statement on our next political journey and way forward. We thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen.
Founder member of ODM, in fact I'm member number 009, and I don't regret having been in ODM. We have grown in it, but it's now time for us to exit. And I resign as the Deputy National Chairperson and also as a member of ODM. We feel very sad that our party no longer meets the aspirations in which we founded it. We founded a party that we wanted it to be a social democrat party, meeting the aspirations of many people. And it was indeed one of the most popular and the biggest party in Kenya. But today, ODM has shriveled into a very small party because of its poor management and running of affairs. Thank you very much.